Hey lads, the new Blizzard UI is amazing, but I managed to identify 5 main problems which will eventually make us use add-ons. Let's check them out and see if we can find any solutions. The edit mode is great, but it doesn't allow you to move everything on the screen. It doesn't allow you to move your settings button or experience bar, and it also doesn't allow you to detach your pet frame from your player's frame. All of these things are very easily achievable by using something like Bartender. We also have no control over the frames except from the scaling and size. There is no way to remove the player or the target image, and there is also no way to change the height or the width of the frames themselves. Using something like shadow unit frames would allow you to do exactly that, save some space on the screen and make much more compact UI. The new party frames look amazing, but they also lack some customization options. We have no control over what icons we can see, where they are displayed, and even their size. Even worse, if something is dispellable, it's not easy to distinguish that among all the other debuffs. If we were to use something like Voodoo, not only it would highlight any dispellable debuff, but you would also have full control over a white and black debuff list and the size and position of each icon. The new action bars come with several different display options, including visible in combat, not visible in combat, and so forth. However, one feature, for example, that Bartender has is display on Mouseover. It might sound like a minor option, but I do not want to see all of my bars in combat. Sometimes though, I would like to hover over and press a button there, which is not possible with the setups available right now. And last but not least, the new mouse bindings and click casting are something we wanted to see in the game for a long time, but one thing that I'm lacking there is the ability to bind something to a mouse wheel up or mouse wheel down. This is especially useful for healers who have a lot of click binds, and sometimes the easiest option is to spin your mouse wheel instead of pressing several other buttons in order to cast something like Earth Shield or Blessing of Freedom. So these are the problems that I have with the default Blizzard UI, and I didn't even mention things like Plater and Quartz, since the customizations there are far from what we need in order to play the game effectively. Let me know if you have the same problems or maybe you have different problems, and especially let me know if you have solution for any of the troubles that we mentioned. Thanks for watching and see you in Azeroth.